And welcome back to the second part of this tutorial. Okay, now I'm going to exit out. There we go. Okay, before I go any further following this function, let me take care of the resets. Now that we have these two there, okay, CMD convert and so on. So let me just copy that. So I want to double click on this because if I click on reset, I would like this to reset the following as well. So let's say cmd from dot text that is equals that should be pg, this one, yeah, convert that to bit written, and the other one we're converting it to that to be equals, just want it clear. Let's put 2 in there we go. So if I run it now, we'll enter some value in here, and we leave that and just click on clear. There we go. Right, so we've taken care of the clear, so let's take care of the conversion button. With the conversion button, first of all, I'm going to declare the following: beam amount as double. Then we also need to say, let's say beam from currency. I'm going to grab all of these. Declare from currency. So I can just use this as a lowercase and get rid of this one. Yeah. So let's say that's going to be a spring. Then the next one is going to be tool. We change this to, yeah, that's it. Then what about amount? Let's declare the amount. Dim converted amount as double. Once that is done, we now want to check if the amount is a valid number, something like that. Because the user might end up entering character in there. So first of all, let me just check that. So I'm going to say if not this number, if not it's numeric, yeah. And who is that? That's going to be me dot text amount dot value. If it's not a valid, if it's not a valid number, then I want the message box. Maybe the message box should do a message box. Let's just grab all of this, something like that. Copy that, paste that here. Message box to display but let's change this to please enter a valid number. Okay, and comma, we can just enter an exclamation sign in there as VBA exclamation. Right, okay, that will do. So we have an exclamation sign. We'll get rid of this bracket. Okay, that will do now. Now the text box itself, txt underscore amount dot text equals clear. And we also need to just, I'm going to kind of set the focus on it. Dot set focus. Brilliant. And we just say exit sub. That's good. So that's one taken care of. The next one, we can try this out now. If I come in here, just enter any garbage in there. Say, oh, there should be end if. End if must be there. Go back in here and just enter end if. Okay. All right, run. Enter whatever. You see that? Please enter a valid amount or a valid number. There we go. Okay, that's good. Now the next thing I'm going to do now is to get the value from the control. So I'm going to do that by saying amount equals CDB. Say that's this CDB. Okay, that would be mean dot text amount dot value. Close that. And we say from this currency that is going to be equals middle mean dot CMB, that is going to be from the value dot value comma 1 comma 3. Okay, so what that will do is to extract the currency code, and exactly the same thing for the other one. Let's grab all of these and change this to, and this one change it to as well to. Okay, so extract the currency as well. Then perform the conversion. So to perform the conversion, that's going, let's use this. Okay, converted amount, that will be equals converted amount equals conversion. No, convert currency. That is my function here. Convert currency. Let's grab all of convert currency here. The convert currency equals convert currency, and amount comma from currency. Okay, open up the bracket and close that. Amount comma from currency comma and to currency. Yeah, that is fine. Now that that is taken care of, now I need to enter whatever we have, whatever the conversion rate is. We need to enter that into the LBL. What is it called? LBL conversion. So I'm gonna grab hold of all of this. Come in here. That is going to be LVL LBL converted dot caption. Okay, that will be equals amount. Right. Let's put a bit of space in there. Let's say and again, what else? I'm now going to enter from. Let's just grab the following this. Is that there? From here, okay, and then grab all the follow this again. This will give us a bit of space. And this will tell us which country it is. Okay, so we have from here, no, that should have been here, equals whatever country we're converting it to. And whatever country we're converting it into, but that should have been the converted amount. Yeah, we need to put that in there as well. Converted amount, this one should be here. Converted amount, and that will be the country. Cut that off and just put that in here. Okay, get rid of this comma. Okay, I think that might be done. Let's see. I'm going to try that out. So check this out. This is the conversion code. So I'm going to run that. Enter whatever in there and convert from Great Britain to Canadian dollar. There we go. Look at that. Oh, no, I actually changed it. That's wrong. Okay, let's enter Canadian dollar to Great Britain. Let's see. Here we go. Look at that, guys. Okay, that's fine. Let's say we have Great Britain up here. Converting to Canadian dollar. You see that, guys? It's brilliant. So we can reset. Convert another country. There we go. Select another one. And so on, guys. India, Mexico, Nigeria. There. Okay, guys, you see that? But there's one thing I like to also achieve is whatever conversion that is carried out, I want it stored on the worksheet. So I'm going to exit out, clear, exit here. And right underneath here, inside, I'm still inside the conversion button here. So I'm going to come right down here. So I would declare the following. I need variables there. So let's say dim worksheets as worksheet there. Then I'm going to also say dim ad as add, let's say add new as range. And next one is going to, let's set the worksheet WKS equals sheet number 1. There we go. So I'm going to add in all my data on sheet number 1. Then I will also set add new, that is equals WKS dot range. So I'm going to make up a range. So I will say about 65,356. So dot and open a bracket, scale up. Okay, and I would also like you to dot offsets. So go to the next line, and that's going to be 1.0, comma 0. Right. So I have my variables for that ready. Now, the next thing I want to do is, you see this add new? I'm going to come down in here now to add all the data. So add new dot offset. I will take you to the next line, and the first value is comma 0 by 0. Close that. Dots, whatever value we have, and the value that we're getting pulled off is going to be text mount dot text. So that's the first one taken care of. The next one is going to be from the combo box, the two combo box, and another one from label. That's the last one. So copy that and just dump it here. Okay. Now the combo box. Let's see, the combo box are here somewhere. That's one from this other combo box. Place that here. Wrong. And the next one is 2. Yeah. Okay, the data that will be stored on the worksheet is going to be from the text box, combo box 1 and combo box 2, and the label. Well, no, the label. Okay, then we also need to change this to, the first one is 0, the second one is 1, then we have 2 and 3. Okay, that's it done, I believe. I'm going to run it now. That's the lines of code for the conversion. Okay, now we come down here. That is the line of code for exit, the codes for resets, my initialize lines of code, and finally have the function. Let's drag this so that you can see it all. That's the function. Okay, let's run that. Click on run. Enter that. From British pound sterling to Swiss. Click on that. Oh, we have an error. Let's check that out. Let's say okay. What do I have in there? Okay, what is missing here, guys? As you can see, I haven't specified a column range. So the very first column that I intend to use there, that is going to be A, ranging from column A all the way to 65,000 plus. So let's try that one more time and select any other country. There we go, and look at that, stored right in there. You see that, guys? Now let's change that, or we can reset, select another country, Europe. Look at that, guys, and change that again. I want to convert from Canadian dollar to, let's say, Nigerian naira. There we go, look at that. See that, guys? It's a very beautiful system, guys. So with that, I'm gonna call it the end of this brilliant tutorial. I suppose you guys enjoyed. Alright guys, that is it. So with that, I am gonna call it the end of this tutorial. I suppose you guys enjoyed. And please do subscribe to my channel, and you can also join to become a member of the channel. You all have a nice day now, and bye for now.